So more brands have sent us some stuff. Let's start with this huge one. All of these reviews that I do, I'm not being paid to say anything. All of these are my honest reactions and honest reviews. Whoa! These are shoe accessories. Ah! Look, these little pom-poms, little black pom-poms. Oh my goodness, wait. Yes, this is from In a Groove. They have come up with like the best idea surrounding heels. Look how cute these are. These are perfect every day, any occasion. Oh, look at them grips. These look sturdy. These are nice. They've revolutionized the shoe industry. Watch. Most people would say, oh, Alicia, you have one pair of shoes. No, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of shoes. Let me show you why. Look at these little straps. So the idea is these go on top right over the strap. Boom, and just like that, whole new pair of shoes. And the little straps go on the grooves under here so it stays secure. I gotta show you these other ones. And now I have 3 and 4 options with these super cute, pretty rhinestones and this black pom-pom. Tell me this isn't the most sustainable idea of the century. Come on, you don't need 10 pairs of shoes, you need 1. Go get you some. In a Groove shoes. Thank you.